Hello guys, so welcome back once again on my channel. So today tutorial I'll be learning how to make a wedding veil. It's very simple and super easy to make. So you will need 2 yards of net. As you can see, I have 2 yards of net. I already folded it into 2. So after folding into 2, you go ahead and fold it into 4, just like the way we fold our 360-degree flare. You fold your whatever fabric you have into 2 and you fold it into 4 again. So that is the same way we are going to be folding our net, as I've done already. So after that, you go ahead and arrange everything properly. Make sure it's properly arranged, as you see me doing in the video. Okay guys, so after arranging it, from the folded part, for the folded end, we are going to measure. This is where we are going to be marking. We'll start from there to measure or mark out. So I'm going to first of all measure whatever you have. So you can see I'm measuring it to see. So after that, we are going to place your tape and mark round. You are going to be marking. We are trying to mark it all round to create that circular effect. Just the same way we'll mark or cut our 360-degree flare. That's the same process. So as you can see me doing in the video, I'm marking it all round. From the folded end, you're going to place your tape and mark round whatever measurements you have. You're going to mark it all round to the other end. So guys, this tutorial is very super easy to make. You can make this in less than 1 hour. So it's very super easy. Here I use 2 yards of net. So everything depends on how you want your veil to be, how long you want it. So I've done marking it all around. So the next thing I'll go ahead and do right now is to cut it out. So as you can see, I'm cutting it out right now. So guys, if you want to achieve a longer veil, if you want it floor length, you can use more yards of net. In this tutorial I used 2 yards and it really came out well. The length at the back, it was really good, super good. It dropped, it wasn't hanging. So after cutting it out, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to open it up. So I'm opening it up right now. So you are going to, after opening it, you're going to mark your measurement. You are going to measure from the center part of your head, from the middle, where you are going to attach the comb or where you are going to be clipping your veil. So you're going to measure it to the front of your face, where you want the front to be, how length you want the front to be. If you want it to be maybe on your chest or your bust point or below your chest or your navel part, everything depends on your choice. So whatever measurement you got, you are going to be marking that measurement from one end. From one end of the net, you are going to mark your measurement. So when I measured I got 22 inches or thereabouts. So everything depends on where you want the front to be. So after that, the next thing I did, I was trying to measure the leftover I have at the back. I got 41 after marking out the front. So you're going to hold it. So as you can see me doing in the video, where I'm holding is where I'm going to be attaching my net, my comb or a clip. I'm trying to hold it from the inside. So guys, you can see I'm trying to hold where I've marked from the inside. So this is it. Isn't it beautiful? So this, where I marked, where I'm holding is where I'm going to be sewing my comb or clip. whatever you're going to use to hold it to your head. So guys, you can see, so this is the outcome. This is how it looks. I can see the back really drops. This is 2 years. It really drops. So if you want it to be on floor length or like a train, so it means you're going to be needing more years of net. So after this, now the next thing is to embellish it with our lace trimming. So you're going to embellish it with any lace trimming of your choice. Everything depends on how you want to beautify it or embellish it. So this is it. So I have this lace trimming I cut out. I'm going to use it to embellish it all around, all the edges, all around. So guys, as you can see, I'm done attaching my lace trimming. So this is the final look, guys. Isn't it beautiful? It is beautiful. Yeah, of course it is. So this is the back part. You can see it really drops. Yeah, the down, it's really dropped. It's not hanging. 2 years really did a great job. So if you want it more, you can extend or increase your yard. So this is the front. As you can see, the front also, it's really is down. It's not hanging. So everything came out very well. So where I'm holding right now is where I'm going to be sewing my comb. You know, those comb they will use to hold it. So but my clients want to use a particular clip. So on that wedding day, after the dressing, she's going to use a clip to hold it. So I'm not going to be sewing any comb or attaching any comb. So everything will be on that very day. Okay guys, so you can see this is the final look. It's very simple and super easy and simple to make in less than, let's say, 30 minutes. 1 hour is too much. You make this. Okay guys, so if you find this tutorial helpful, please kindly give it a thumbs up, comment, like and share. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed, and hit notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much guys for joining me on this tutorial. See you next in my next video.